on, fui, oh. They're all prepositions. Réabhuckle we call them in Irish. And they tell me about the next word. Something if we should Aaron Moore that was on the table. Cúig mé leis Sean, I went with Sean. Bhí mé ag an siopa, I was at the shop. Oh, that's not a réabhuckle, sorry. Fui, under. Chaf mé pean fuin mór, I threw a pen under the table. For me, Gruntinus, oh, Eamon, I got a present from Eamon. Now there's more than they're just the first couple that came into my head. There's do, whatever, idir, whatever it may be. So there's two things that can happen here with a réabhuckle. A réabhuckle can appear before a word. Preposition can appear before a word on its own, like this. Or the other way it can appear is where it's and the next word is on, and then. That's the only ways you're going to see prepositions in Irish. Preposition, and then the next word could be a name. It's usually a noun, a person, place, or a thing. Always will be a noun. So, board, on board. Shul, happening. Éamon, on Eamon. The bird shit on Eamon. You won't forget that example now. On, when it's on the. Egon, at the. So this is when the comes into the sentence. And we need to understand the different rules associated with both. Is this tricky? Not particularly. Okay, I'll lie, it's a little bit tricky. No, it's not. Simple enough. You do have to listen. It's going to be quicker, a lot quicker than the other two grammar points. This will be done. And what we're going to do is this: I'm going to explain it this week. We are going to do a couple of examples. And for the next 2 weeks, in your notes, I put in 3 sets of questions to do. Luckily for you, the questions are only fill in the blanks. It's only 1 word per one. So if I say there's 20 to do, you have to write 20 words out, which is the guts of 3 lines. So it's just 1 word. And what we're doing is, when we have the réabhuckle, 9 times out of 10, the réabhuckle is going to change the spelling of the word that's coming after it. So I need to teach you how, why, when all these things happen. And of course, this is the Irish language. Teanga na Gaeilge Abba E. So there's going to be exceptions and a few little tricky things. And we're going to meet my only 5 friends in life. If you noticed beforehand, I seem to talk to myself a lot because I don't have many friends. But we're going to come across these bad boys. The dentals. People sometimes say to me, why is there no E and there's no